Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra out of Lego, updated. Begin by selecting a scale and sorting bricks into color groups and sizes. Sketch a simple side profile on paper, marking wheelbase and roofline. Reserve specialized pieces for headlights and grille. Build a sturdy chassis with plates and Technic pins, then attach body panels in layers to refine the curves and stance. Let me walk you through the chassis and wheel setup so your Supra handles and looks right. Start with a layered plate base and add Technic beams for strength, aligning mounting studs for axles. Pick wheels that match your chosen scale to define stance, then attach axles with bushings to prevent slop. Test rolling on a flat surface, adjusting camber and clearance before you begin attaching lower body panels. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more updated builds and tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long building marathons or gift ideas related to the hobby. Check the description for the link and other deals, then get comfortable, and now let's get back to the video. Now focus on the bodywork and details to bring the Supra to life in Lego form. Construct removable sections so you can reach the interior, layering slopes and curved tiles to emulate fenders and hood contours. Use modified plates for vents and attach small clips for mirrors, then craft a rear spoiler that bolts on. Finish with headlights and taillights, tuning color contrast and surface texture for visual accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.